Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're going to talk about a feature that I personally do not like in the new GM trucks. They've had it for several years now, and I'm going to show you how to turn it off. Now, if you love this feature, I'm going to show you how to turn it on. Before we get started, make sure you smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and notification bell. So, the feature I want to touch on is called Buckle to Drive. Now, I always get this a lot. I was in a profession where I had to enforce people, make sure they're wearing their seatbelt. It's all about safety. I love seatbelts. Matter of fact, I trained all my kids. You drive always with a seatbelt on, because seatbelts will save your life more than anything, than the odd chance that the few times that it would have actually hurt you wearing that thing. But Chevy implemented Buckle to Drive. Now, this is in the Sierras. It's in a lot of their vehicles, and I personally don't like it, only for the reason is because I get in and out of my truck, and sometimes I back up, kind of stand on my floorboard so I can get into tight spaces so I can see. Now, that's just the trucker in me, because I've backed cars onto trailers that I was hauling across the U.S. and stuff, so you have to contort yourself. Well, if you have to buckle to drive, you aren't going to be able to do anything with the vehicle. Now, it's also a pain in the butt if you're in a hurry to get in and out. I would say the better habit is just put your seatbelt on from the time you're starting driving till the time you're old. Get used to that habit, and then it'll become second hat, where you just buckle and then you go. I don't like it because I do a lot of trailering. I do a lot of stuff where I'm in and out of the truck, and I'm not going to personally put on my seatbelt to back up 10 feet if I'm getting out and spotting myself backing a trailer or anything like that. And so I don't like this feature. So let me show you where you find it, how to turn it on or turn it off. So with the vehicle running, you're going to need to bring up your infotainment system. You're going to hit your home screen. We're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to vehicle. Now, luckily, they put the two most pain in the butt features to turn on right at the top. Rear seat reminder. That's for people that leave pets and humans in the car, so they remember to check the back seat. So if somebody opened a back door while the vehicle's running in this key cycle and you shut it off, it's going to sit there and ding at you telling you to check the back seat. You still have to check it yourself. I mean, you have to get out and open the door and check it, and then it stops chiming. So I don't use that feature either, because I don't leave things that I like in the car when it's hot. But the next one underneath it is Buckle to Drive. Click on any of these icons and it'll give you a little verbiage there of what it is. It says basically you can't shift out of park if you haven't buckled your thing. If you want it on, you click on. If you want it off, which I do, I turn it off. Now, this feature on or off no matter what driver profile is in there. So I just leave it off. But before anybody gets on me saying, well, just wear your seatbelt, I'm not talking about wearing my seatbelt while I'm driving. That makes sense. If I'm driving forward even 100 yards, I'm probably going to put my seatbelt on. It's just second hat. But when I'm getting in and out of the vehicle, moving at small places, checking my trailer, checking things like that, I am not, and I don't want that control of me. So thank goodness GM allows me to turn that off, and now I've showed you guys. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys being here. Catch you on the next one.